Hey there. It's really coming down outside, huh? Can I get you anything? Latte? Espresso? You got it. You can take a seat wherever you like. No. You're just missed the morning rush, actually. Most of my staff takes this time off for lunch. Not many people coming in for coffee at noon, surprisingly. What kind of milk? Right here you are. Be honest. How's my foam art? I have one staff member. The guy is a wizard with foam. He can make you a rose or a princess or even a Pokemon. No idea how he does it. Probably black magic. Or something. Sorry. Where are my manners? I'm John. This is my cafe. Welcome. You don't mind if I chat with you for a bit, do you? I would understand if you don't want me to. There are a lot of solitary coffee drinkers out there, especially in the mornings. Lots and lots of grumpy faces. Oh, we've been open for a few months. We're not beating Starbucks anytime soon, but we do have some regulars, and we trended on some fancy food blog a few weeks ago. Got a bunch of business after that. I don't really keep track of all that stuff, if I'm honest with you. I just like to make coffee. So, what do you think? It's my own blend. Does it taste good? I'm glad to hear it. A few customers say that it's too acidic, but I just think... Oh, sorry, I'm rambling. Look, the reason why I came over wasn't just to quiz you on the coffee. I know, shocker, right? You, were crying, right? Your eyes are still kind of red and puffy. No, rain doesn't cause that. Look, you don't need to tell me anything. The last thing I want to do is pry into your business, but my cafe is here if you ever need to pick me up. Plus, if you're willing to be a taste tester, the coffee is on the house. What do you think? Yeah, I've been told that before. My mom always said I was a bit too talkative, but I don't like this silence. It feels cold, you know? Silence can hurt you more than words ever could. Sorry, I'm rambling again. Anyways, enjoy your coffee. Hope you'll stop by again. Oh, I'm always here. Much to my staff's pleasure. No, they're great. They just think I need more of a work-life balance. Whatever that means, right? Really? Oof, that is a stressful job. I wouldn't want to do that. Coffee is really all I know. Maybe a little bit of sketching here and there. Cliche, I know, but hey, it makes me happy and it pays the bills. End of the day, that's what counts, right? Look, whatever was bothering you before this, I hope this cafe can give you some peace. No need to thank me. Another cup? Coming right up.